Hello everyone, I'm Rosan Ugredi. Me, along with my friends Adarsh Thapa, Achu Thapa, and Prajwal Mananda, we have done research on a project regarding the implementation of Donald Norman's usability principle in easy parent system user interface. So let's talk about the problem statement. When we joined Kathmandu University, we were far from home and we had to stay as tenants. So we faced various problems regarding the rental payment such as delay payment, payment history, miscommunication, which leads to misunderstanding with the landlords. Also, we got confused whether we paid our payment in time or not. So, in order to solve such problems and use easy online payment methods, in first week we conducted a literature review and analyzed various design of related projects available. Thus, we observed different UI UX problems relating to SCI design principles. Using such design principle as major guidelines, we have tried to solve such problems in this research project. So let's talk about the major objectives of this project. To track each and every transaction made by the tenants, to make transaction easy and reliable, to see history of each transaction made by the tenants. Similarly, to make UI UX design better, considering Norman's principles as guideline. Finally, implementing user interface according to targeted audience responses. So let's talk about the study of the related works. After researching some related works, we have selected some screenshots as below. In the first screenshot, we can see that the application is always in dark mode with no option for changing into light mode. Similarly, in the second and the third screenshot, there is no proper mapping and enough use of universal icon metaphors, which decrease the usability of the application. So let's talk about our weekly progresses. In the first week, we conducted a survey among targeted audience and got 30 responses. Out of them, majority of our targeted users were found to be of age group 19 to 24 years. Also, we conducted questionnaires whether they are facing any kind of problem with landlord or not. So, a response we found that majority of them were facing problems, and also majority of targeted audiences think that using proper rental management system will smoothen the relation with the landlords. So we discussed this problem statement with two groups from our class, and their valuable responses such as regarding the icon metaphors, maintaining consistency and universality were taken into consideration to design our final product. As a very initial attempt, we designed a paper prototypes of the application to show the data flow is seen on the screen. And then after taking review from the friends and this discussion, we designed the final paper prototypes of the application, which can be shown on the screen. And finally, we created a fictional user persona of the landlord. After understanding the types of user who are more probable to use our application, their requirements and expectation, we finally designed a user interface prototype. Hence, is the final result. We designed a user interface prototype by following different Donald Norman's design principle, as can be seen on the screen. In the first screen, we designed a splash screen. Up the splash screen, there comes a page for registration and login. After the successful registration and login, we design home page where we have different buttons navigation. Similarly, for payments purpose, we use Khalti API. After successfully payment, the page navigates to the payment history page. We have separate notification dashboard where user can see the notification regarding the payments, and finally users can complain and chat with the landlords and housemates. This is the overall review of our research project, and we would like to thank Dr. Sushil Shrestha sir for providing this golden opportunity. Thank you.